Did you know that this year the amount of smartphone and tablet users will overtake the amount of desktop users? Crazy, right? If your business is not mobile, it should be. I'm about to share some information that you absolutely must know, like how to stop losing potential customers to your competition. It's actually very easy to do, and we can help you. Your competitors are benefiting from the abundance of mobile device users, while you're completely unaware.
There is two good ways to use YouTube to make your site go viral. The first one is of course using it to make a viral video and put it up so that it can spread. Of course, always include some links and annotations in the videos or in the video descriptions to get visitors to actually arrive at your website. Take extreme care not to include too many links in your videos because that could potentially be too distracting, and it will often piss viewers off. An angry viewer will definitely mean no viral traffic for you. The second way to use YouTube is to use it as a research tool. Find out what others are watching in your niche area. Take your time and view videos that are viral and can be potentially used to attract visitors to your website. Good videos are special and one of a kind, so by watching all the viral videos, you can learn a lot of things from them. When you understand all the elements that makes a video go viral, your chance of creating a viral video also increases. The use of tell a friend scripts is very useful when it comes to generating viral traffic. Whenever you have something that your viewer wants, you should put them through a tell a friend script first. This way, you get more traffic each time you give away valuable content that people want. When you are able to churn out good contents that people like, naturally people will always come back for more. Remember to always make it easy for people to come back to your website. Use bookmarks and get your visitors to bookmark your website. Or better yet, get your subscribers to opt into a list so that you can notify them whenever you have new content for them. When people like your site, and that they know the value of your efforts, you can be sure that they will start spreading news about you. That's when the viral traffic starts. Hence, always try your best to be the best in your niche, and you will be rewards not only with word-of-mouth advertising but also brand recognition and loyalty.